Take a look at these two videos. Can you tell which one is real? Pause and replay if you have to. Make a note or leave me a comment to make your choice. Stay to the end, I will show you the best way to create these deepfake videos, for free. Step 1. Find a good trending video. Head over to TikTok. Pick a trending dance video. This one will do, let's watch it. Great, let's save the link. Step 2. Let's find an image to insert into the video. Using Google, search for a man's face. PNG format is best. Find one that is similar to the video, this one will do. Let's save the image to our system. Step 3. Let's go remote with ngrok. Head over to ngrok, you will find a link in the description. This tool will allow us to access our cloud server remotely. Go ahead and log in. Go to the authentication token menu on the left. Copy your authentication token. Be sure to never share this with anyone. Step 4. Let's perform the deep fake using Face Fusion. Open the Google Colab link in the description. Google Colab is a free server that Google provides to run scripts. I have prepared a free Python script for you to run on this server. First, check your runtime environment by clicking the down arrow in the upper right corner. Ensure that Python 3 and T4 GPU is selected to enable more powerful GPU processors. Go ahead and paste in the authentication token. Now let's look at this script I prepared for you. Perhaps this is the first time you have seen Python, don't worry, it is easy. First, we download and clone the Face Fusion scripts. Next, we change to that directory. Next, we install some libraries. Then, we import ngrok. Then, we kill any existing tunnels. Next, we set up ngrok, using that authentication token. Next, we have to print the URL that we can access via ngrok. Finally, we run the application with this command. Now, that wasn't too bad, was it? Let's run this entire script with one click. Hit the play button. The script will take a few minutes to run, so take a bio break. When it completes, you will see a few URLs. Be sure to click the first one, here. This will launch a new web page and showing the Face Fusion application. Now, drag in the source image you want to insert into the video. Then, drag in the target video you are trying to deepfake. Scroll down and select the face you want to deepfake. This helps if there are multiple faces in the video. Scroll up and you will see a low-resolution image of the injected image. Compare to the original one on the left. Okay, now increase the output video quality to 100%. Finally, hit the start button. Again, this will take a few minutes, but you already took your bio break. If you want to check progress, go back to the Face Fusion script tab. When the script ends, it may show a blank video with a black background. Just wait, it will provide the video in a short while. When it does finish, you can try it out. Then, be sure to download it to your system. Step 5. Let's compare our work. If you have been following along, you know that the one on the left is real and the one on the right is fake. Let's watch them and compare. Be sure to stop and replay the video several times. Can you tell the difference? Now, for the next steps. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notify button so you don't miss my upcoming content. Take a moment to drop me a comment, tell me how I am doing, and let me know any content you want to see. Your comments allow YouTube to push my videos to others with similar taste. Check out our other videos on using AI to make money online using faceless videos. Until next time, bye bye.